Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you how to fix a SIM card tray stuck on an iPhone. You need to take out the SIM card tray to insert a new SIM card, switch service providers, or just refresh the cellular network. After putting a SIM card removal tool into the little hole next to the tray, you find that the SIM card tray is stuck inside the iPhone and won't come out. It's surely a frustrating experience, especially if you lack technical skills to safely open the SIM card tray without causing internal damage. Here, we'll explore why this occurs, and give you step-by-step solutions to get the SIM tray out of an iPhone when it seems to be stuck. Why won't my SIM card tray pop out on my iPhone? Here are a few potential culprits. The steps or the tool used to eject the tray are wrong. The SIM card tray is bent or misaligned with the slot. There are particles or debris lodged in the tray or the hole. The eject mechanism is broken due to falling or water exposure. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix a stuck SIM tray on an iPhone. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until you can remove the SIM card tray again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Try the correct way to pop out the SIM card tray. Prepare the SIM card ejector tool that came with your iPhone out of the box. Or you can get similar accessories like a paperclip, a Q-tip, or a toothpick. Locate a pin-sized hole next to the SIM card tray. Insert the tool gently into the pinhole to catch on the backside. Then, this step is the key. Push straight to the pinhole using steady and mild pressure for a few seconds. Make sure not to push at an angle or apply excessive force. It's okay to try a few more times if the tray doesn't pop out at once, and try to push a little bit harder. If everything goes well, your iPhone SIM card tray should open. Use alcohol pads to clean the card slot. It's likely that debris or dust has built up around the tray opening due to the long-term use of your iPhone. They could make the tray just fit in very tight, rendering that the iPhone SIM card tray is stuck. To check if the tray is clogged due to the accumulated dust, shut down your phone first. Then, use a flashlight to check the tray opening. If you find any dirt or hair, use an isopropyl alcohol pad to gently rub the surface of the tray edge. Using cotton swabs or toothpicks is okay, too, but remember to use them carefully to clean the sticky residue between the slot and the tray. After the cleaning, make the SIM card tool go straight down into the hole and push. See if you manage to remove a stuck SIM card tray on iPhone this time. Visit an Apple store to seek assistance. The SIM card tray eject mechanism is based on the push-push principle. If you can't get it out using the normal way, the SIM tray hole may be messed up. It's needed to get it disassembled to check if there is something getting the iPhone SIM card tray stuck. To avoid damaging the phone, schedule an appointment at the local Apple Store Genius Bar and let technicians help you eject the SIM card tray. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix when an iPhone SIM card tray won't open. Thank you for watching. You should manage to bring the device back to its original defaults. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.